how to remove OneDrive from Windows 11. So first, go to your desktop, and then you can just go to your File Explorer. So I'll just open up File Explorer here. Then once you're here, you just need to go look for OneDrive, this one, and then right click on it, and then look for OneDrive, and then click on Settings. Once you're here, you just need to scroll up, click on your account here, and then click on Unlink this PC. Okay, now once you've unlinked this PC, you can just close this, and then go to your Windows here, then look for Settings, then look for Uninstall. Okay, or click on Add or Remove Programs here. Once you're here, you just need to look for OneDrive. Okay, now click on the three dots here, and then click on Uninstall, and then it'll start uninstalling OneDrive from your computer. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.